Hello everyone, this is Ryan at the Wichita Gun Club, and today we're taking a look at a Colt Model 1917. Designed to supplement the use of the 1911 in World War I, Colt and Smith & Wesson both made a Model 1917. It is chambered in 45 ACP and uses moon clips to help extraction and to hold the rounds in place. Man, if only this old warhorse could talk. It's available right now at the Wichita Gun Club, everybody. Make sure you keep an eye on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Thanks again for tuning in, and stay safe.